In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recap whatever you miss with AI in Slack. If you've been away from your workspace, on vacation, or just juggling a busy day, this quick workflow will help you catch up fast without scrolling through hundreds of messages. Start by opening Slack and heading straight to the place you want to catch up on. That can be any public or private channel you're a member of, or a direct message conversation. If you're not seeing it right away, use the search bar at the top to find the channel or person by name. It's important to open the exact conversation you care about, so the summary is focused and relevant. Once you're in the conversation, look toward the top of the window for the channel or DM header. There, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Actions menu. Click those 3 dots. This menu holds a variety of conversation tools, and it's where Slack's AI features are tucked away. In the menu, move your cursor over the option labeled Summarize Channel. In direct messages, you may see a similar label that refers to summarizing the conversation. Hovering over it will reveal a small submenu with time-based choices. If you don't see the Summarize option, your workspace might not have Slack AI enabled yet, or your permissions might be limited. In that case, check with your admin or try another channel you know is enabled. Now choose how much ground you want the summary to cover. You can pick a quick preset like the last 7 days, which is great if you've been out for a week and want a concise digest. Or select a custom date range if you're catching up on a specific window, like a long weekend or the span of a project milestone. Narrower date ranges usually produce tighter, more focused summaries, while broader ranges can surface long-running decisions, themes, and blockers. Keep in mind that Slack only summarizes content you already have permission to see, so private discussions you're not part of won't appear. After you make your selection, Slack's AI will compile a digest of key updates from that conversation. Expect a readable overview that highlights major topics, decisions, follow-ups, and links that were shared. If the summary feels too broad or too short, simply run it again with a different date range to dial it in. You can also repeat this in other channels or DMs to build a complete picture of what you missed across your workspace. And that's it. By opening the conversation, using the 3-dot menu, hovering over Summarize, and choosing the right time frame, you'll get a fast, clear recap that helps you rejoin the discussion with confidence.